Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a look at HFM, a globally recognized broker known for its strong regulation, diverse trading accounts, and award-winning services. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. HFM, formerly known as HotForex, is a globally recognized online trading broker that has been empowering traders since 2010. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, catering to traders of all experience levels. With leverage options of up to 1 to 2,000, competitive spreads and ultra-fast execution speeds, HFM provides a flexible trading environment suitable for both beginners and professional traders. The broker supports multiple platforms, allowing seamless trading across devices. Traders constantly highlight HFM's excellent customer support, user-friendly interface, and the reliability and speed of its deposit and withdrawal processes, making it a trusted choice for a global trading audience. HFM provides traders with access to a broad range of over 500 CFD trading instruments, allowing exposure to global markets across multiple asset classes. Forex traders can trade over 50 currency pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, with competitive spreads and a leverage up to 1 to 2,000. For those interested in commodities, HFM offers CFDs on precious metals like gold and silver, as well as energy products such as crude oil. Traders can also access CFDs on leading global stocks, including companies like Amazon and Meta, and participate in index trading on major market indices. This variety of instruments ensures that traders of all levels can diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across multiple markets. HFM is a globally regulated broker committed to maintaining the highest standards of security and compliance. HFM operates under the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, ensuring adherence to local financial regulations. Internationally, HFM holds licenses from reputable authorities, including the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, the Dubai Financial Services Authority, and the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. To safeguard client funds, the broker employs robust security measures, including segregated accounts, ensuring that client funds are kept separate from company operational funds and are protected from potential company liabilities. With a strong regulatory framework and a commitment to client security, HFM provides a trustworthy and compliant trading environment for traders worldwide. The broker offers a variety of engaging promotions designed to reward both new and existing traders. The Return on Free Margin program allows traders to earn daily returns of up to 3% on their free margin, funded directly to their accounts. The HFM Trading Rewards loyalty program lets traders earn HFM bars with every trade, which can be exchanged for cash or trading services. Additionally, their demo contest provides a risk-free environment for traders to showcase their skills and win trading bonuses. HFM also offers a referral program, rewarding traders with up to $200 for each new client they refer who registers and trades with the broker. These promotions are designed to enhance the trading experience and provide additional value to HFM clients. HFM offers a selection of trading platforms to cater to various trading preferences and strategies. The MetaTrader 4 platform is renowned for its user-friendly interface and is ideal for traders focusing on Forex and CFD trading. It supports automated trading through expert advisors and provides a range of technical analysis tools. The MetaTrader 5 platform builds upon MetaTrader 4's features, offering additional timeframes, more technical indicators, and improved order execution capabilities. It also supports trading in a wider range of instruments, including stocks and ETFs. For traders seeking a more integrated experience, the HFM platform provides a proprietary solution that combines advanced charting tools, an economic calendar, and seamless integration with HFM services. Additionally, they offer mobile trading through the HFM application, allowing traders to manage their accounts and execute trades on the go. Each platform is designed to meet the needs of different trading styles, from beginners to advanced traders, ensuring a flexible and comprehensive trading experience. The broker's proprietary HF copy platform empowers traders of all levels to engage in social trading by copying the trades of experienced strategy providers. As a follower, you can browse a variety of trading strategies, select those that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals, and automatically replicate their trades in real time. The platform offers full transparency, allowing you to monitor performance metrics such as returns, drawdown, and risk levels before committing funds. You maintain complete control over your account with the flexibility to adjust capital allocation, set stop-loss limits, or unfollow a strategy at any time. For strategy providers, HF Copy offers an opportunity to showcase their trading skills, attract followers, and earn performance-based rewards. Whether you're new to trading or seeking to diversify your strategies, the HF Copy platform provides a user-friendly and efficient way to participate in the financial markets. The broker offers a variety of trading accounts designed to meet the needs of both beginner and experienced traders. Their Ascent account is perfect for beginners, allowing trading with cent lots in a low-risk environment, with leverage up to 1 to 2,000, no minimum deposit, and swap-free conditions. The Zero account caters to traders seeking low-cost trading, providing raw spreads from 0.0 pips with a small commission per lot, leverage up to 1 to 2,000, and no minimum deposit. For more experienced traders, their Pro account offers ultra-low spreads starting from 0.6 pips, no commission, a minimum deposit of $100, and a leverage up to 1 to 2,000, creating advanced trading conditions. The HFM Pro Plus account is built for professional and high-volume traders who want more competitive conditions. It features tight spreads starting from 0.2 pips, leverage up to 1 to 2,000, and a minimum deposit of $250. Traders get access to the full range of instruments, market execution, and flexible lot sizes with no commission on Forex trades. The Pro Plus account combines cost efficiency with flexibility, making it an attractive choice for experienced traders seeking greater control. Finally, their Premium account is designed for retail traders seeking enhanced features and flexibility. Each account type ensures that HFM can accommodate a wide range of trading strategies and preferences. The broker offers a swap-free trading option across various account types, including their Ascent, Zero, Pro, and Premium accounts, to accommodate traders who observe Islamic principles. These accounts eliminate swap or rollover charges for holding positions overnight, ensuring compliance with Sharia law. Traders can access a wide range of instruments without incurring interest-based fees. It's important to note, though, that while swap-free accounts are available, certain instruments may incur carry charges after being held overnight for consecutive days. Additionally, HFM offers a demo trading account that simulates real market conditions, providing a risk-free environment to practice trading strategies. Available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their web trader, it comes with a virtual balance of up to $100,000 and supports various trading instruments. The account is available for unlimited use, supports algorithmic trading through expert advisors, and can be managed via a secure MyHF account, giving traders the flexibility to practice at their own pace without time constraints. Creating an account with HFM is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Register button. Next, fill out your personal information, such as your country of residence, email address, and create a password. After you have opened your account, you will be redirected to the HFM client area. Within the client area, you can open live or demo accounts, view promotions, contact support, and much more. Next, you will want to create your preferred trading account type, either a live or demo account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to complete and submit your account application, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have opened your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with HFM. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, chart types, and indicators for you to customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's trading platforms, HFM provides a wide variety of helpful educational content to help you get started with understanding the basics of trading and to place your first trade. The broker offers a variety of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal options to cater to different traders. Deposits can be made via bank transfers, credit and debit cards, and alternative payment methods. The minimum deposit amounts varies, usually $100 for bank transfers, $5 for credit and debit cards, and $30 for alternative methods. Deposits are processed promptly, with credit and debit card deposits typically completed within 10 minutes. And alternative methods offering instant processing. Importantly, HFM does not charge any deposit fees. For withdrawals, the broker supports the same methods used for deposits. The minimum withdrawal amount is $5, and withdrawals are processed 24/7. Bank transfers may take between 2 to 10 business days, depending on the corresponding bank. HFM does not impose withdrawal fees, however, some banks or payment processors may apply their own charges. Traders can manage their funding activities through the secure MyHF client area, ensuring a seamless and efficient trading experience. HFM provides a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their Forex Education Center offers a structured e-course covering fundamental topics such as Forex theory, chart reading, trading strategies, and trading psychology. Additionally, HFM hosts a variety of free webinars and live seminars, where traders can learn directly from market experts. For practical learning, the MyHF area grants access to trading calculators, advanced trading tools, and recorded sessions. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the financial markets confidently. HFM provides traders with a comprehensive suite of market insights and analysis tools to enhance their trading strategies. Their news and analysis section offers expert commentary, market forecasts, and timely updates on global economic events, including detailed reports on commodities, currencies, and indices. Additionally, the broker's Advanced Insights tool leverages big data and AI to deliver real-time sentiment and volatility analysis, helping traders anticipate market movements and make informed decisions. These resources are designed to empower traders with the tools and knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets effectively. HFM has garnered numerous prestigious accolades, underscoring its commitment to excellence within the Forex trading industry. Notably, the company has been recognized as one of the World Finance Top 100 global companies, a testament to its global impact and reputation. In 2025, HFM received the Best Middle East Broker Award at the Summit Oman, the Best Broker of the Year in 2024 at the Smart Vision Summit in Egypt, and the Best Forex Broker 2024 at the ProFX Awards in Dubai. These honors reflect HFM's dedication to providing top-tier trading services as well as its continuous growth and innovation in the financial sector. Overall, HFM, formerly known as HotForex, has established itself as a global leader in online trading since its inception in 2010. With over 15 years of experience, HFM has empowered traders worldwide by offering a seamless trading experience that combines innovation with excellence. The company is regulated by reputable authorities, ensuring a secure and trustworthy trading environment. HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, including Forex, commodities, metals, energies, shares, indices, and more. Traders can access these instruments through multiple platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HFM application, all designed to offer a user-friendly and efficient trading experience. To support traders at all levels, the broker offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools, including structured e-courses, free webinars, and live seminars. These resources aim to equip traders with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the financial markets confidently. HFM's accolades reflect the broker's commitment to providing top-tier trading services and its continuous growth and innovation in the financial sector. So whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader seeking advanced tools and resources, HFM offers a comprehensive platform to meet your trading needs. With a strong regulatory framework, diverse trading instruments, robust educational resources, and a track record of excellence, HFM stands out as a trusted partner to consider for your trading journey. And that is our overview of HFM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.